Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your market share with Netflix, detailed guide step by step clearly. To recover your market share with Netflix, begin by assessing the current landscape of your competitors. Analyze Netflix's content library by identifying popular genres and trending titles. Conduct market research to understand viewer preferences and demographics. Evaluate your own offerings in comparison to Netflix's strengths and weaknesses. Identify gaps in your content that could attract new viewers. Develop a unique value proposition that differentiates your service from Netflix. Focus on exclusive content through partnerships or original productions. Leverage user-generated content and community engagement to build a loyal audience. Utilize data analytics to track viewer behavior and tailor recommendations accordingly. Reassess your pricing strategy to ensure it remains competitive in the streaming market. Enhance user experience through interface improvements and personalized features. Launch targeted marketing campaigns that highlight your unique content and services. Consider bundling your subscription with other services to add value. Monitor the performance of your initiatives regularly and be willing to adjust strategies as needed. Foster relationships with creators for continuous content production and innovation. Stay updated on industry trends to remain agile and competitive. Finally, ensure consistent communication with your audience to build trust and brand loyalty. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.